Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by installing and enabling Kika. Do it now. Give the app keyboard permissions, then set Kika as your default input method. Once done, open a messaging app and tap a text field to bring the Kika keyboard up. Make sure to accept optional permissions like microphone or clipboard so features work. You'll see the toolbar, explore themes, stickers, and paste options. This initial setup is the foundation. Without permissions, advanced features won't function correctly, so confirm each permission when prompted. Now you customize Kika to match how you type. Tap the gear or theme icon, choose a theme, resize the keyboard, and toggle haptic feedback to your preference. Next, try the toolbar. Pick emoji, GIF, or stickers, and open the clipboard manager to paste recent items. Use voice typing for hands-free input. Enable language packs if you switch languages. Once configured, set text shortcuts and tweak prediction settings so Kika suggests phrases relevant to you. This speeds up typing and reduces errors. To finish, back up your settings and sync with the cloud so themes and shortcuts persist. Import a custom dictionary if you use specialized terms. If Kika lags or crashes, clear the app cache first, then restart the phone. Reinstall only if needed. Make sure system input settings still list Kika as enabled and verify keyboard permissions for microphone, storage, or overlays. If problems persist, disable conflicting keyboards or third-party accessibility tools. This typically resolves most conflicts and restores
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.